Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Kiwi Crate and I'm excited to get into this, and my son really wants to do it. So we're gonna open it for him today so that he can do it. If you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to give you curriculum and organizational ideas, and also ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's open this crate. Okay, so this month the crate is Mirror Illusions. Ooh, that sounds fun. It says use mirrors to create image flipping goggles and a trick box with an illusion inside. So we're gonna become magicians, which will be exciting because my husband knows a little bit of like basic magic and my kids love it. They're like, why don't you know more magic? They just love it. So this will probably be cool for them too. But that's what it looks like when you open it up, whatever we're trying to say here. And then this looks cool. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. But this looks fun on the front of the activities we're gonna do. So this is our instructions right here with all of the different activities. Usually there's like 2 or 3 with the Kiwi Crate, I feel like. And then this is our little magazine booklet that's gonna go more into mirror illusions here. And this is always fun. My kids love looking through this. They love seeing if there's any activities they can do. It's just really a lot of fun for them. And then they always love to check the food back here, especially my son that does this crate because he always wants to try it out. So this one actually looks pretty cool. I think you cut up some fruit or whatever and tic-tac-yum, or maybe it's cheese, and you can play tic-tac-toe on a mirror. And then in here, we have a mirror right here. There's a whole bunch of little like ties and different things, and things like these look like you have on a jacket that hold the string from pulling through. So I don't know what those are gonna be used for, but we have that. And then we have some different foam pieces right here and some paint that we're going to use. And then we have a bunch of wooden pieces that I think some of these we're painting. I don't know if we're painting all of them, but from that picture, it looked like some of them we're painting. And then we also have this one that has some little thing we're gonna fold together, and then another mirror right here. And then this is a little bit heavier, like cardboard type stuff. So, oh, those might be for the goggle things or whatever that they have right here. So that's probably what this is for. So that's what's in this crate, and I'm excited for my son to get at it. I think he's gonna have a lot of fun doing this, so I'm gonna let him do it and we will let you know how it goes. I finished doing the Kiwi Crate. As you can tell, he's holding up this box, but he also has something on his head. So we'll talk about those in a minute. But he wants to show you, this is a trick box. And so he has a little image in here that he drew. It comes with some of its own images, but he wants to show you the trick first. So here's the trick. He's gonna put the penny in there. Where'd it go? Where's the penny? It's pretty cool. And so the kids love this. They think it's hilarious. So there's a mirror in there, and so then the penny falls behind the mirror, and then it looks like it just disappears. And my kids all loved it. They thought it was like the greatest magic trick ever. But in this crate, there's also these ones that you can use. So you could fold these up like this, and you can put them in here. Let me show them real quick what the inside looks like. So in here, he drew a picture and put it in. So there's options to draw a picture, or you can use one of theirs. So they have this side, or you can use this side, and then it has the arrows and the way these diagonal lines are how the mirror needs to be facing. And so there's some other options for that, and then you can see the image it casts from the bottom because it's down here, but the mirror makes it up there. So
the first time I saw it, I was like, I was so surprised when it did.
You were so surprised it disappeared. Okay, so then do you want to show them what's on your head? So these are some goggles. I don't even know what it calls them in here. Let's see. Do you remember what it calls them? Mirror goggles. Okay.
Mirror goggles.
And so you put them on. So you're gonna put them on, and then it has this little ball up here that's stuck. And so you put the ball in this hole right here, and then they came with these puzzles that he can do. So this one they had etched, so it has an etched picture on it of a smiley face. And so you try to do it on the table, and it is hilarious to watch. Like, you should just do it, just do this craft just to watch your kids do it. But then you also get to make your own type of a thing if you want to. It comes with paints and then these little dowels. I didn't know what they were, but they have little sponges on the end. So you can use them to paint with. Yep. He's getting ahead of us. So then it has this little frame right here that you set it down, you put the square pieces in, and then you can color them, and it gives you a clear sticker. Let me show you a picture here. Hold on 1 second, please. We're not ready for that one. And so right here, it gives you a picture of what it kind of looks like. And so it gives you these clear stickers. There's several different options. You can't really see them, but there's a smiley face, a fish. He used the duck one, and then there's a cloud, and he put it in the middle of the puzzle. You can see part of the duck right here. And then you get to put the puzzle together. You can use the goggles and try to do it. And again, it's really funny to watch. And if this ball falls off, so if they're down like this and the ball falls off, it means you looked too far down. And so it tries to keep you looking at the mirror and having the mirror help you. And again, it's hilarious to watch. Okay, what did you want to show them in your book here?
There's this.
So there's this little path thing that you can do. So you can start here, and then you're gonna walk. Like for all the aerials, it shows you're gonna take a step, and then when it has a big circle, you're gonna make a direction change and take more steps. But then it has the option where you can put it in a mirror and look at it and come backwards in it and see the directions backwards. So that was a fun thing that was in there. Was there something else in here? There's the alphabet. Where you can practice.
Some are upside down, some are flipped up.
Yeah, mirror secret messages, right? So you can practice your secret messages, and then a word search that's backwards as well.
And it's words.
Yep, the words are all backwards, and so you have to look at the mirror words.
I got to show this.
He's gonna show you guys everything.
The mirror apples.
Yes, the apples. He's like, how did they do that? And then the little treat, which I had already mentioned at the beginning of this video.
Tic-tac-toe food.
Tic-tac-toe food, huh? So I thought this was a lot of fun. There's a lot of fun activities. There's a lot of extra activities. My kids really enjoyed it. These goggles are hilarious, and it's funny to watch the kids. And again, the magic trick. It was like their favorite part, huh? So did you have a part that you thought was hard?
Not really.
Not really, yeah. I don't feel like there was anything that was really hard. Was there something you liked the most?
Yeah, I really like the magic trick.
The magic trick. I knew you were gonna say that. So he loved the magic trick the most. So there was nothing that was super hard for him to do in this crate. He did almost everything all by himself. And so it was a lot of fun. I'm excited to see what next month brings. So if you enjoy seeing these types of videos, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.